2025 with a $190 price tag. The Nike Air Max Plus Turbo Green brings back a beloved look once exclusive to Foot Locker Australia in 2014. This fan-favorite revival of Sean McDowell's design features a vibrant white, reflective silver and turbo green colorway. Inspired by palm trees, its flowing TPU overlays display a turbo green gradient, while swooshes, lace loops, and the Air-branded hexagon continue the theme. Both the visible air units and the whale tail-shaped midfoot shank are accented in green, completing the energetic aesthetic. Though Nike Sportswear spent much of the year focused on dynamic air models, this tuned air classic injects nostalgia with modern edge. The bold structure, tropical cues, and expressive palette signal a shift back to iconic silhouettes. Available on Nike.com, the return of this colorway marks a stylish comeback for late-year sneaker rotations.